Hello planners, in today's video I will be unboxing this Filofax Lockwood Zip Personal Organizer in the new color concrete. Let's go. Let's get right into it. This unboxing is Filofax's Lockwood Zip Personal Organizer in the new color concrete, and it comes in this beautiful presentation box. Great if you want to gift it to a loved one. I'm a Filofax ambassador, which means I get Filofax products to use and share how I use them in my daily planning and budgeting. All opinions remain my own. Now as you open the box, it's wrapped in this tissue-like fabric and masking taped at the back. The organizer is then wrapped in this plastic for extra scratch protection. At the back, it has a sticker with the label of the organizer and the color. The organizer is wrapped with this label sleeve, again with the Filofax name, and at the back, the label tells you what's included inside and the product specs. The Filofax Lockwood Zip Personal Organizer is made from full-grain buffalo leather with a lightly oiled burnished finish. It has heritage look blended with modern functionality. It has the Filofax brand embossed at the front and has a grey zip close all around. The zipper is silver with a leather stitched pull. The leather is smooth and nice and soft to the touch. At the back, it has one exterior zip pocket. This pocket would be good to pop in my public transport card when I'm out and about for easy access, and the zip will keep it from falling out. At the front, there is one exterior slip pocket, good to slide in your receipts or notes. That's the exterior of the organizer. Now let's check inside and unzip it. When you open it, be mindful that it's not going to lay flat due to the way the construction of the zipper, which means when you're writing on the planner inserts, the other side of the organizer will not lay flat. So if a planner laying flat is important to you, you need to consider this before buying. Now even if you do bend the organizer a bit more, one side of the organizer will open back up at about a 90 degrees or so angle. Let's now check what comes inside. It has this front plastic sheet, 2024 planner cover page, week on 2 pages, information about what comes inside. It comes with a brown ruler or page marker that can easily be removed and replaced back into the rings. The ruler is double-sided, one side in centimeters and the other side in inches. Next, the planner insert pages include 2024 calendar, and on the other side you have a 2023 and 2025 calendar, personal information page in English and 4 other languages, a national information 2024 page, religious festival 2024 page, and holiday symbols. Then it has week on 2 pages diary or planner pages that starts from January 1st, 2024 to January 1st, 2025. It has 7 notes pages, 6 numbered dividers, 4 to-do line pages, 8 contact pages, 8 cotton cream line pages, 8 grid cotton cream pages, 8 blank cotton cream pages, 8 dusty blue line pages, 8 mint green line pages, and 8 strawberry pink line pages. On the Filofax website, it does say that contents may vary to what's listed or shown in the product images. The organizer includes a top opening envelope, and at the back of the organizer there is one slip pocket, and at the front 4 card pockets and a slip pocket. It has one elastic pen loop, and let's test it with a few different pens. This one is a Muji gel pen, fits nicely. Next, this is the Filofax Norfolk ballpoint pen with the lavender and sage barrel. The elastic pen loop fits it well. And the pen I use is this Pentel Energel Alloy pen. When closing the zip, make sure the clip of your pen is towards the inside of the planner so it doesn't get caught when opening and closing the zip. The ring capacity is 23mm or 0.9 inches, and the measurement of the organizer is 201mm in height, 135mm in width, and 35mm in depth. Check your local Filofax website for the price in your local currency. Let's see how the Lockwood Zip compares in size with 2 other zip personal organizers from Filofax. This one is the Saffiano Personal Compact Zip Organizer in Neo Mint. Let's compare the size against the Lockwood. The Lockwood is slightly shorter in length, but wider in width. And now let's see it against the Molden Personal Compact Zip Leather Organizer in pink. Again, the Lockwood is slightly shorter while a little bit wider. Now here's the 3 of them all together. If you like this type of product unboxing video, make sure to hit that like button. And product details and links you can find in the description below. Check out these other Filofax videos and make sure to share this video with your Filofax friends. See you in the next video.